Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today I am doing a week in my Planner Envy signature layout planner. I'm going to use Functionally Chic Orange Blooms by Live.Love.Posh. Let's see. So honestly, I bought this book. One, it was on sale, and two, because of this sticker set. I just fell in love with this like orange and gray flowers, and I haven't used it yet, so I figured, you know what, let's just do it. I want to do a somewhat simple spread. I got out this washi. I'm not sure if I'm using, I think for sure I'm using this one. And then also in the book, it's got some functional things. So I think I'm going to, you know what, I'm just going to take it out. I'm going to use this one and this one because I need to add some elements around. And then there's also some boxes that I might use too. So let's see, what did I want to do? I'm going to have to cut some of these up because what I was thinking was this little one, like cut it in half, and that way I can use, you know, both sides and do like 1, 2, like these two, or maybe these two and those two. Let's do that. So let's just start there. Oh, actually, let's see. I wanted to use the days of the week, and I think I'm gonna go with the middle one. Where are my tweezers? There they are. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put all of the days of the week. And I'll do one, and then I'll pause it and do the rest. And I am going to leave it like a little bit lifted. I wonder if I should white that out behind it. I'm gonna white it out because I don't really want it to show through. But I think I'm going to leave the little black because they kind of go. So I'm just going to line it up like that. Or do they? I don't know. I'm going to leave them for now. Okay. I'm going to do the rest of the days of the week and I'll be right back. Okay, I stopped for a second because I wasn't liking like the placement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the black washi across the top, and then I'm going to put the date, and then I'll do the rest and be right back. All right, so I did that. Then the other thing was I wanted to use, for sure, I wanted to use all of these. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to add the little bullet points to each of these, and I'm not going to line it up to the line. I'm just going to kind of center it on the little check boxes like that. Okay, I'm going to do those and I'll be right back. Okay, so there's those. Now I want to start adding some pretty things. Let's see. I kind of like the way that looks for right there. So I'm going to cover up this week like that. Try to remember to not press down too hard. And I think I'm going to line the top with the black also, like that. And I don't think I want to go all the way to the line, so I'm just going to go to the edge of this, like that. Okay. And I'm not sure if I want to line the bottom, so I'm going to wait. And then this one, I want to go right there. It's really pretty. I hope it's not too big. Ooh, it's a little big. Darn it. I think I can just cut it right on here and make it a little shorter. Let's do that. Actually, what I'm going to do is I will cut it off of here first, like this. And then I'm thinking I should use like my cutter. Hold on. Okay, so I went and got my cutter, and I'm just going to put it on here. Hopefully it's straight. Yeah. I don't want to take off too much. Let's start with, I'm just going to line it up at that groove right there. And hopefully that's enough. Let's see. It's still too much. Take off a little more. Let's do a little more. I'm just going to line it up. Make sure it's straight in there. It's kind of hard to hold it because it's like really, really under there. Let's try that now. I think that's enough. It's okay that it goes into it just a little bit. I just didn't want it to be very obvious that it was covering it. Oh no. Oh. All right, let's put that right there. That is pretty. I love this set. I mean, honestly, it's more like a fall color, but I don't know. I felt like using it, so I'm using it. Okay, so we've got that. And then I wanted to take these and cut them in half. So let's do that. And so I'm trying to decide if I want it to be this one, because I only have 2 of them this size, which I suppose I could use this one too. That's this one, but that would still only give me 6. So no, I have to alternate them. So I'm either doing this one, and then these 2, or this one. No, yeah, this one and this one, and then these 2. That's the only way I can do it, isn't it? Yep. Oh well, that made up my mind for me. So let's go across here. Hopefully it's not too big. It's a little big, but it's okay. All right. That one, and then this one right there. Okay. And then we've got this one. So we can do the same thing. I can get it off. So pretty. I think I got it like, I don't remember if it was like a Black Friday deal or what. But I kind of remember, I think I paid like 15 or 12. I don't know. Okay, so this is this one. Actually, let's put this one over here. Since this one's the same, we'll have 2 different ones on the 2 different pages. There, like that. And then this one. Right there. And then Saturday, I worked on a new set for the bills page and the fitness page. And I'll show y'all. I'll have to get the copy over there, but so cute. But when I was done and I printed it and I was putting it on my practice paper, it looks so much like a Christmas one. I was like, no, why did I pick these colors? I spent like 5 hours on it too. Okay, I think I want this one here. So I am going to cover this. It says this month. It's a lot to cover. I could have like put a white piece of sticker paper. Okay, that should be good. Let's use this corner up over here. All right. Let's see if we can line up the corner good. It looks good. Good enough. All right, let's go ahead and scrape it down a little bit. So we can do the same with these so you can't see the outline so good. Okay. Wow, that's pretty already. Okay, so I think over here I'm going to use this one. It just kind of fits, right? Yeah, I think so. Let's go and get rid of notes. Lots of whiteout on this planner spread. Okay. I really don't want it to go into the Wednesday, but I'm not going to worry about it if it does. It goes right there. Okay, it goes in just a little bit, but not much. Okay. Wow, this is looking so pretty. I really like this set. Okay, and then let's do one over here. And I kind of need one right here. Let's see. think this one might be a little too big. Let me look at it. I mean, I guess I could cut some of it off. I could do like a half of one in here, right? I think I'm just going to put it down. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cover up the line like as if it was never there. And then this is just going to go here. It's info on that other page. Okay, that looks pretty. All right. So for next week, I'm thinking maybe like a box with that on top would look good. Let's see. Where's the book? Let's see if there's a box that fits there. I think this one should fit. Let's try that and see how it looks. Let's put it right in the middle. Somewhat. Oh, it's just a little too small. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to white out the top. So I'm going to white this out anyway. Okay. So now let's line it up with the bottom. Like that. Hopefully that's straight. Oh, I'm a little crooked, but you know what? I'm okay. It doesn't matter. Let's put this one here. Like that. Whoa. Scrape it in there. This is really just pretty and elegant. And I could stop here. I'm trying to think if I want, because I had gotten this this marker for coloring in the lines in gray. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Let's just do it. Let me do one. I hope I don't regret it. Let's see. I almost want to just do, I don't know that I want to do that now. I kind of like how it looks without it. So we're going to white that out too. Let's just white it out since we don't like it. And we can just pretend it was never there. Okay. You can kind of see it, but you can't, so I'm okay with that. So what else do we want to do? Do we maybe add a few boxes? Because I think I'm good on the flowers. I mean, maybe we can put this one like here. Let's do that. Since this is kind of plain down here. Let's take this one. Oh, and I need numbers. Let me go find some numbers after I put this down. Oh, and I still have those stickers to do a spread with. I'm glad. All right, so I think this one I'm just going to put right here. But I do want to kind of cover up the white lines. I mean, not the white lines, the black lines. There, that's enough. Let's do like that. You know, I'm curious, those of you that watch my Planner Envy videos, do you guys also watch the Happy Planner videos? There's something here. I'm just curious. This little dot's gonna bug me. There. Or are you only here for the Planner Envy content? Okay, let me find some numbers and I'll be right back. Okay, I found this sheet. It's got these like 1 through 9. So I think I'm just going to do it just to kind of change it up. I'm going to put it here. 1, 2, 3. And then Tuesday the 4th. And I'll put the rest and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did the dates and I'm pretty happy with it. I think I'm just going to go somewhat minimal this week and call this spread good. I think it looks really pretty. And I don't think I need to add anything else to it. Okay. So here we go. That's how it looks. I'll probably use a gray pen to write in it. And then the other thing I wanted to show you guys was this is the set I was working on. And then I ended up changing these brown ones to this cute little red one. And it's supposed to be like a self-care, you know, spread. And after I put it all on the page, I was like, this kind of looks like Christmas. So I don't know. I am going to list it, but yeah, I expect this one to sell better at Christmas time than I do for March. But anyway, I had fun creating it. And I hope you guys like it. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.